Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter light part 5. In this part we'll start with composition of light. In previous part we have learned the terms of light. They were first term was luminous bodies, then non-luminous, then homogeneous medium, heterogeneous medium, transparent substances, opaque substances, translucent or semi-transparent substances, ray of light, beam of light, parallel beam of light, divergent beam of light, convergent beam of light, point source of light, extended source of light. Today we'll start with composition of light. Photon. Light waves consist of energy packets called quanta. These energy packets were called photons by Einstein. According to Max Planck, the energy present in a quanta is given by E is equal to hv, where h is Planck's constant and its value is 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. V is the frequency of light wave which is carrying the photon. The application of the above formula will be dealt in higher classes. Next is production of light. Production of light. Light basically is produced inside an atom. In an atom, electrons absorb energy and jump into higher orbits or energy levels. This is called excitation. The electrons present in higher orbits jump back to the lower orbits. This is called de-excitation. During the excitation, electrons absorb energy in the form of light. Excitation can be achieved by heat energy, electrical energy, etc. For example, when we heat iron, the heat energy is absorbed by electrons of the iron atom and they get excited. During the excitation, these electrons give out red light and hence the iron appears to be red hot. Next is can we see light? Perception of light. Can we see light? Perception of light. This is the foremost question raised by any optics teacher to his students. Then what's your opinion about the question? Many students tend to think that we can indeed see light, but in reality it is not true. We cannot see light, but can feel the effect of it. Just as we cannot see heat but only feel it, so also light. We can only feel it but cannot see it. As heat is felt by our skin, so light is felt by our eyes. To compare this, let us conduct an experiment in a dark room. First, two glass beakers A and B are taken. Second, the glass beaker A consists of a salt solution where the particles are very small and indeed so small that they cannot be seen even through a microscope, and even light wave passes over it without getting scattered as shown like this. This is light wave, and this is particle in solution. Particle in solution. Third, the glass beaker B consists of a solution where the particles are relatively larger. Such solutions are called colloidal solutions. The particles in a colloidal solution can be seen under a microscope, and also a light wave striking it gets scattered as shown like this. This is particle in solution, and this is light wave. Examples of colloidal solution are milk, ink, blood, etc. Fourth, a beam of light is passed through the dark room as shown in the diagram like this is light, this is beam, and this is dark room, and it is observed that it is not visible. Beakers A and B are placed and the beam of light is focused on them like this. Beaker A, beaker B. This is too light. This is dark room, this is light beam. This is true solution, and this is colloidal solution. It is observed that the beam is invisible while passing through A and visible when passing through B. Why is there a difference between behavior of light in two beakers? Fifth, the light passing through B comes across bigger colloidal particles and gets scattered. The collection of these illuminated particles in the path of the beam gives a feeling that the light beam is visible. But in fact, it is only the particles that are visible, not the ray of light. The scattered light reaches the eye and we see the illuminated particles. When the beam passes through A, the light wave passes over the particles and the particles cannot scatter. Thus, as no scattered light reaches the eye, the particles, and hence the beam cannot be seen. Thus, we cannot see light passing through the dark room and the beaker A. We can see only in the particles in B which are scattering light. This confirms that to see an object we need we need light but we cannot see light. Similarly, when sunlight enters a room through a aperture, we feel as though we are observing a beam of light. This beam of light which we apparently observe is basically due to the scattering of light from the dust particles. The illuminated dust particles give the sensation of beam of light, but in fact we do not see any light. I hope you've understood till this. In part 6, we'll go through how do we see objects, and then we will go with speed of light incredible, then speed of light in some common media, then we'll learn a thrill in store. Till that, I hope you've understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another part 6 with more information and detail. I hope you have understood composition of light, production of light, can we see light, perception of light, and whole topic. Thank you for watching.